Hello and welcome to my first tutorial to show you how to draw your very first clouds in this tool called GIMP. I have the version 2.8 and let's get started. So you first pick the basic brush tool and take or choose your blue color like you want, maybe really dark for the first layer. Also you have to pick a very huge size of the brush like this maybe. So now you draw in very first line, really fat block of this dark blue right there. Now you take a little lighter version of this blue, just go ahead, it's really easy, maybe like this here for example, and also make it just as huge as the first layer. And now you pick an even lighter version of that blue and go for the last. Maybe it's a little bit gray, but it's still blue. Now you take this tool and kind of blend it in. Blend them just so that you cannot see this line here, if you know what I mean. Just blend them in because it's your sky. So now you have very bluish sky. Now take your brush again, take your very first blue and change your angle of your brush so that you can start to drop in some clouds. Maybe not so huge, also just resize and get them in here in your middle section. It's the dark blue, it's dark, maybe also here just for example, and here also just one cloud. Now again pick your second blue, the second, and resize your brush again. You do not want to kill the cloud, and drop it in here, just a small little bit of it, just really that much, not too much, just this much. Now again blend them in together from the inside out. From the inside out you go, make your very first clouds, and here you can go also from the inside out, or if you want from the outside in, to create another effect. And here you can just, for example, here it's a very fast cloud, so just blend it in, maybe here again to the top to make it appear more like a cloud, and here just like this. It's just an example, just a really small cloud. Maybe you can drag it a little bit larger if you want, if you prefer a larger cloud. Now take your brush tool again and go in for the white color blue and resize your brush that it's just a little smart point, just a small point, very detailed. So be smart and change your angle again of your brush and just highlight here the very top of your middle cloud, just here, this little bit, also here and here. Now again take the blend tool, resize again, maybe not so big, not so huge, but very small, and go from the very white into the second type of blue. Resize, I need a little bit bigger, there. Now it's a little bit easier, and always remember, go from the inside out. Maybe you can, if you experiment with this, from the outside in, but I don't recommend it. Now just blend it in, blend them together to create a really nice cloud, just like this. You see? And here you go, here again, there you go, blend it in just the top of it to create some highlight from the sun, and blend them so it looks very good. Maybe not. Yes, so there again. And here from the inside of the white you go into the second blue type and maybe a little bit here out of there. Now resize your brush or your blending tool and just blend them equally once into the background. There you have the first cloud, or maybe just undo and take not so huge and just a small bit of here, just like this. There you go. Want just once blend it, and here again blend it maybe twice, or undo maybe just once with one single stroke. And there you have some examples for clouds. So good luck to you, have fun experimenting with this technique, and maybe you can draw even better clouds like me. But for now, have fun.